Okay, Kamin, this is your piece of work. 夏休みに家族と海に行きました。7月19日に車で行きました。食べ物はものすごく美味しかったです。私たちはホテルに泊まりました。ホテルのプールで泳ぎました。Right, you can't use to join clauses. You need to say そして。テレビを見ました。来年、チェンマイに行きたいです。とても楽しいから。Good. I like the way you finish this off, using から but with a different adjective. This is okay. It's a little bit limited. You could have put more information in there about what the different things were like ものすごく面白かったです。とても良かったです。We have got ものすごい with おいしい and we've got とても here. So you have put a little bit in. I just think it was a little bit short and it followed my model very closely. So, just a little bit more variety, a few different sentences would be good.